Hi guys, what's up? It's Scott85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for SnowRunner on the Xbox One. So yeah, I got this delivered today from Shop2. So I ordered this a while back. Really looking forward to playing this. Love the first game, Mud Runner, which had insane physics, and the world was pretty decent too, but this one just expands on that, so you've got 3 areas instead of one. I think it's like double the size as well of the original game, so the worlds are all interconnected. So you've got Tamir in Russia, Michigan in the USA, and Alaska, which is in the USA, I think. So yeah, you've got 40 licensed, or I think it's over 40 actually, licensed trucks. So yeah, that's cool. So as you can see, there's one of them on the front, made by Focus Home Interactive and Saber. And Saber Entertainment as well. So this side, there's the back. The next generation off-road experience. So it is 4-player co-op as well. That's cool. It is Xbox One X enhanced 4K Ultra HD. And the install size is up to 9 gigs, so not much at all. So then inside you have a thing about the season pass, which I haven't got yet, but I may do at some point. And you have the disc. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of SnowRunner, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers, bye-bye.